Hello guys, this is True Ray back again with another video. I know I've been gone for a few weeks. I had a few difficult weeks, but I'm back, all better now, with a giveaway. So give me a round of applause for that. Thank you very much. Of the two baddest accessories you could get for your computer or your laptop or whatever setup you may have. Here, I have the G602 wireless gaming mouse, which I did an unboxing on and a review is coming in a week or so. It's fully customizable. It has great response and feedback. It has a performance mode and endurance mode for more battery life. It's just a great mouse, can't stop talking about it. And here I have the mechanical gaming keyboard G710, as you see here. Mechanical keyboard. It's a great fully customizable keyboard, backlit. It has all the works, different profiles you could have for different games. I'm telling you, it's a great keyboard. So let me tell you how you can win this. I changed a few things up, but it's still as simple as always. So first, you gotta be subscribed. You won't win if you're not subscribed, obviously. And second, you leave one comment per day only. If you leave more than one comment, you will be disqualified. And this giveaway will end April 9th, 2017. So you wanna stay up to date with that. So the one thing that has changed is I will announce the winner on my Twitter account. It's just easier for me instead of making a whole video announcing a winner. And if you don't want to follow me on Twitter, which is fine, don't worry about it, I will have the winner in the description of this video at the end of the day on the 9th. So just check this video in the description and you'll see the name of the winner. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Continue to support me. I'm trying to do these giveaways a lot more frequently. I've been pretty steady with these giveaways. So just give me a thumbs up and I'll keep them coming. Subscribe for more videos. Anyways, take care now. Good luck. Be breezy. Be breezy.